Alright, so we finally made it to Sutro Forest, and behind me is Sutro Tower. Sutro Tower is historically known as a TV and radio frequency post. And this is a great example of occult geomancy, because once we go into the forest, you will see the sacred sites of this forest and the history behind it. And of course, they would put a tall radio frequency tower right beside it. And what that does is it harnesses the natural energy of our sacred sites and our ancestors that used to be in these sites for their, I don't know, for their power grids. So basically they're using natural power to harness artificial power grids. All right, let's go. All right, so here we have a great example of a Fae tree. And the reason why I say that is because first you see this enclaved hole here, and then you see another one here, and come a little closer. And usually with holes like this, you will see offerings, a lot of druids, woodland nymphs, forest witches, and things like that. In Celtic tree magic, they would use these to give an offering to the Faes: water, mushrooms, trinkets, toys, things like that. So you have 1, 2, and you can say maybe a third one here. And then if you pan upwards, you see a new tree growing out of this one. So if you remember the tower, right? This is an example of a natural rendition of an artificial tower. So you have the power source here, which is the home with the holes. And then you have a smaller antenna there. And you can basically say it's like a portal. It's an antenna with a home, which is like a portal gateway for the Faes.
I'll send fear.
When you see sigils in natures or veves or energy signatures, Celtic knots,